The views and watch hours which you get from the shorts does not count towards monetization. If you got your subscribers count by collabing with other people's video, there's one sad hard truth I'm going to reveal to us in this video. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the advantage and also the disadvantages of the collab I've been talking about on my channel. And I'll show you the exact way you can fix hidden loopholes so that they don't harm your channel. So don't skip any part of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys real clarity. I'm not going to hide anything with you guys. Like, this video is literally telling you the truth. So hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I share practical tips to help you grow faster here on YouTube. And if this is your first time here and you want to grow your channel, make sure you join our community by subscribing to the channel. So now, the first sad truth about collabing with people's video is that it is definitely going to give you that visibility you need for your channel. Yes, you're going to get subscribers, massive subscribers. But here is the problem. If you don't manage it properly, you may end up getting tired, frustrated, and confused, even with the huge numbers of subscribers you have gained. And why is that? Now, this is because you may likely start experiencing low views on your own videos. That is your own personal content. Now, this happens a lot because people subscribe to your channel because of those collab videos, not because of your content. So when you upload your own videos, they don't really show up for your own videos. Like, they don't engage, they don't watch. Now, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways you can fix this issue. Now, how you can protect yourself from getting low views or this collab harming your channel is that make sure that you upload your own videos consistently during and after the collab. So while you're doing the collab, make sure that you are putting your own videos too on your channel. Do not just put all your energy doing collabs and then leaving your own content aside. No, don't do that. What you need to do is, even as you are doing the collab, that was what helped my channel. As I was doing the collab, I was also posting consistently my own personal content on my channel. Second way you can fix this issue is to make sure you use the right SEO and keywords before uploading so that YouTube will know how to push your content. Now, how you can get your SEO or keywords is for you to go to your YouTube app, type the title of your video, type it at the search bar. Now, if you see something related to that popping up, then you can pick your title idea from those existing titles on YouTube, or you can use ChatGPT. Okay, that is how you can get SEO keywords and tags for your videos. With this, YouTube is going to push your videos further, and this is going to help your channel get more views. Third thing you need to do, which most creators do not really take serious, especially those that are just going or the new creators, what you need to do is to always add end screen or cards to your videos. Now, this is going to keep viewers inside your content, because once they finish watching one of your contents and they see another end screen somewhere here or somewhere here, they are going to click on it. That is why you need to make your titles very catchy, okay, so that when they see it, even without watching the video, they'll be curious to ask, oh, what is this person talking about? What is in this video particularly? So once they finish watching a video of yours, or even before they finish, there's a way you can do the settings, or you can add cards even from beginning of the video. They'll start to see the various videos, title of the various videos which you've uploaded on your channel. So if they are interested right in that video of yours, they are going to click to watch the next video. Now, this is also going to help your videos get more views. Fourth way to fix this issue is that you should turn the most interesting part of your long form video into shorts. There's a space while you're trying to upload your shorts on YouTube. You're going to see a space that talks about related video. That is where you're going to add the link of that long form video to that particular short. Now, whoever watches this short and is interested to watch the full video is just automatically going to click on that link, and it will take them straight to your video. With that, you're going to get views and you're going to gather watch hours. Fifth one, which most of the creators here on YouTube don't even use app, is to use your community tab wisely. I know most of us don't know what this is. There's a place on your YouTube when you open your YouTube app, you're going to see at that plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you're going to see videos, you're going to see shorts, you're going to see live, you're going to see posts. Now, make sure you optimize the post icon. So your community tab is a very, very powerful tool. What you need to do is to make sure you use catchy and engaging posts to get your audience interacting on your channel. Now, once people start to engage, YouTube is going to notify them whenever you drop a new video. Now, this is how the community tab works. Whenever you drop a very engaging post on your channel and people engage, people interact, even if the person is not subscribed to your channel, whenever you drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify that person that, oh, this person recently dropped either a new video or a new post. That's why you need to drop very engaging posts on your community tab. This will also help you create a bond between you, the owner of the channel, and your audience. And this is going to give your content a better push. If you look at the last video which I uploaded talking about how small channels can grow, I talked about this particularly on how you can utilize your community tab to grow your channel to get more views. Now, to the second sad truth about collab is that the views and watch hours which you get from the shorts which you collab with other people's video does not count towards monetization. It is a very sad truth. It is the sad truth. Yes, when I realized it, I was not really happy, and that's why I decided to make this video, because I know most of us are happy that we're getting the huge subscribers and you're checking your analytics on YouTube Studio and you can see that your watch time is actually increasing. But the thing is, what you see on your overview watch hour, your watch time, is not it. Does not count for monetization. So even if you see 4,000 watch hours complete on your YouTube Studio, you will still not be eligible to apply for monetization. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can check and know the real watch hours which you have that is counting towards your monetization. Okay, I'm just going to head over to my YouTube Studio and I'm going to place it somewhere here so that you can see exactly how you can check your real watch hour that counts towards monetization. Now, so what you need to do is to head over to your YouTube Studio. I'm going to be using my second channel. Yes, so as you can see on the channel analytics, right at the dashboard, I have 175 watch hours, right? But that is not the real watch hours. Now I'm going to take you to where you can find the real watch hours. You see on your YouTube Studio, you can see dashboard, content, analytics, community, and earn. Now you need to click on the earn section. Yes, so once you click on this earn section, you're going to see an interface like this. Become a YouTube partner, right? Then you scroll down. Now you can see where eligibility is written. Now this is where you can find your real valid public watch hours. This is where you can see the real public watch hours that is going to make you get monetized. So you can see we have two ways of getting monetized. We have the 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and this thing needs to be filled before you can get monetized, before you can apply for monetization. This thing here, this blue something, needs to be very filled. It needs to be filled to the end before you can apply for monetization. And if you want to get monetized with short also, that is when you have your 3 million views. Okay, now this one also needs to be filled to the end before you can get monetized. So this is how to see and check the original valid public watch hours that will enable you to get monetized, not what you see on your dashboard. I get it is very shocking, and that is how I found out too. So that is why I've decided to come make this video to clarify things. I know you may probably see 4,000 watch hours on your dashboard, okay, but that is not the real watch hours. For you to see the real watch hours, you have to go to your end session. That is where you see the original watch hours that will make you and enable you to be monetized. So that is the sad truth, and I've come here to share it with you guys so you'll not be feeling bad. So if you have any question pertaining this video or anything I send in this video, please drop it in the comments. I'm going to answer every question. So if you've learned something new in this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this video. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.